Good morning, this is my Schamanen-Orakel reading for this new week. Today is Wednesday. Today I'm reading for Leo, Virgo, Libra and Scorpio. And this reading here is for Libra. Welcome Libra. I'm using the same decks from the last week's reading, but I added one more card to the Moon and Stars Tarot. And the reading starts with the Sacred Sites Oracle deck. It is about holy places around the world and stories and legends relating to those holy places. And you got a card, Bandiagara Cliffs. And the Bandiagara Cliffs, they are located in Mopti, in Mali, in Africa, and the energy relates to identity. In the lower world of the card, there is the past, asking you how often have your accounts of visions or unusual experiences been ignored or ridiculed. So the doggone shrines of the Bandiagara cliffs tell you that your experiences, they are real. You are neither crazy nor are you stupid. The story of the doggone people of Mali may go back more than 50,000 years to the time when their ancestral gods, the Nomu, represented on this card by the fish-tailed symbol, are said to have descended from the sky in what sounds like a spaceship amid thunder and fire. So what stories about your origin and past have made you what you are today? Here in the lower world reside all the visions, dreams and memories that shape your identity. And if you have been masking your true self from the world for the fear of rejection or persecution, be aware that the doggone, they use masks not to hide what is within, but to accentuate a particular asset or quality. So the story is that the doggone believed that the amphibious alien beings they call Nomo, they came to the earth from a star that revolves around Sirius. So 20th century anthropologists, they were amazed that the doggone, an isolated tribe without any access to astronomical equipment, they could be aware that Sirius is not a single star, but in fact a multi-star system, and it is suggested that the Nomo tradition is therefore evidence of alien visitation. So, do you feel that you have been fed untruths about a particular situation, whether that is a personal one or about the wider society? Start asking questions and let go of any false beliefs that have been put into place to control you, perhaps by the people that you know personally or by those who govern you. And the doggone shrines, they house the ancestor spirits, and it is here that they are worshipped. Do you have a place where you can connect with your own ancestors and ask for advice and insight? The upper world of the card here relates to potential. Here is residing the primordial egg called Amma, the Dogon sky god and the creator of the universe, from which the Nommo emerged. Legends of alien encounters, spaceships, and amphibious beings coming from the sea are repeated all around the globe. It is said that the Nommo, they were crucified and resurrected, and they will return to the earth in human form. Sounds familiar? Well, similar beliefs of the Philistines, Babylonians, and the Assyrians are reflected in tales about Apollo, Bacchus, and Saturn. And why does Christianity hold sacred the symbol of a fish? Seek the answers for yourself by spending some time comparing the beliefs of different cultures. The egg shape on the card is also symbolizing fertility. Now is the time to nurture new ideas and grow into a reality in which you can see clearly and understand what everything means. And now you are asked to make a journey of self-realization. Sit or lie down in a quiet place, close your eyes and relax. Imagine yourself standing on the seashore at dusk, watching the foam as it slides up the beach and then back into the waters. See the light shimmer on the sea as the sun slowly sinks and then disappears. Feel the yearning of being part of something greater, more powerful than you have ever done before. Inhale the sea air and then breathe out. Walk to the water's edge and let the waves touch your feet. Now go further, wading through the cool waters. As you look up, you see a bright star that instantly imbues you with its energy. Breathe in the star's healing from above as you take up the healing waters below. And as your spirit is revived and your soul is awakened, you realize that you are a part of the stars, that you are a part of the oceans. This is the start of your journey of self-realization. Be ready for the secrets you seek to rise to the surface. The next card is from the Schamanen-Orakel deck. Out came Rainclouds. And the Rainclouds, they relate to everything old that will soon be washed away, and all dried up feelings and exhausted energies, they will be renewed. A new cycle of personal development is approaching, is the message. The prosperity of your plans and of your intentions, as well as your success, is coming. It is a good omen for your future, and even though this card at first sight looks a bit gloomy, the heavy rain clouds promise to bring renewal once the rain washes away the old to make place for the new. A new way is possible, says this card, so get rid of old principles which no longer work well for you. Wash them away, just like rain washes away to bring about renewal. Water comes in many different forms, as haze, as dew, as fog, and thus is feeding a body of water, a river, a stream, a sea, or an ocean. Water is also transforming into ice, and ice is seen in the shaman worldview as a means of food. An ice cube feeds your drink in the hot summers and makes that refreshing, cool drink for you. There is a message that all things that seem to darken your day to day will soon show you that in reality it was a blessing. So let things evolve naturally and do not try to intervene. The rain will clear the air and something new will emerge. With regards to relationships, ask, has the sky darkened over your relationship? Have you shed some tears over some sorrow? Try to stay optimistic and trust that whatever comes will be good. Your tears will wash away the gray clouds and let life shine again. Maybe the tears give your relationship a new outlook and a new beginning. There is a medicine aspect. Without clouds there can be no rain, and the precious rain is always a blessing. So welcome the rain, let it cleanse you and show you that a new and a much better pathway leads you to your future. And a Native American oracle card that came out is the Woodpecker. And the Woodpecker is about opportunity. Woodpecker is tapping to find nourishing tidbits. And as he sounds out his environment, looking for treasures, he reminds us that opportunities are everywhere, even where there seems to be no hope, such as in a dead tree. So the woodpecker is steadfast in his determination. He is also loud from the taps that echo through an otherwise quiet wood to his loud and his distinctive call. With woodpecker, the spirit is speaking loudly to you, and you are encouraged to listen. Solutions to some of your most challenging problems, they are available now if you listen. And the crystal on the card is emphasizing clarity and focus. The message is, do not give up after an initial failure. Listen to guidance, stay focused, and maintain your determination. Keywords are opportunity, perseverance, certainty, truth, failures that are really lessons, trying many times, finding the treasures in unlikely places. And the time is the month of July, the month of long days. And the Dungeons and the Dragons card that came out for you is the Eight of Wisdom. This Dungeons and the Dragons deck is based on the computer game with the same name. So the Eight of Wisdom is saying to finding a way out of the past pain by having faith that something better is awaiting you. And the special message here is that graves of a cemetery appear to be robbed, but some say it was the dead that dug their way out. The stories of this deck, I always am amazed. So, and now we come to the Moon and Stars Tarot cards, 2 of them. The first card is the Seven of Swords. The Seven of Swords is about some betrayal, some discretion, and some sneaky energy. And the meaning is deceit. Someone around you is being deceitful, keeping secrets, or being overly discreet by providing conversation and holding back the whole truth. So be cautious of others taking from you, be it energy, time, ideas, or confidence. It may be that a close friend or family member or a colleague does not have your best interests at heart, so keep your counsel close and let actions speak for themselves. Trust your instincts about who is true to you. There is a moon message. Follow your intuition and keep your senses sharp. And the other card is the King of Cups. And the King of Cups is about stability, control, and honesty. And the meaning is support. The King is a sensitive but emotionally intuitive, strong male influence. He can represent an idealistic male influence, such as a friend or a partner or family member, as he gives love and support to those who need it. He is wise and charismatic and brings a sense of grounding and a realistic approach to situations. He is a great counselor as he brings to your attention the ability to trust more, to open up and be compassionate and mindful of yourself and those around you. The star message is to listen to the guidance being offered to you, listen to your wisdom and your intuition. That was the reading for you, Libra. Thanks for listening. Wishing you a great day, wishing you a most joyous whole week. Take care and goodbye.